Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Aventura local and long distance movers near me. Long distance relocations are incredibly challenging. We deliver services of the highest quality and are efficient, security conscious, and affordable. With the help of our trained professionals, we can reduce the duration of your move without removing any assurances of the cargo's safety. We also provide you with insurance to keep your possessions safe throughout the journey. We will handle your belongings with care, making sure they arrive at the prescribed location safely. While our services are top of the shelf, they are still very much affordable. So, you do not have to worry about paying through your nose with us. Relocating to a local place is easier than a long-distance move. However, this does not remove the effectiveness of serious preparation. You still have to consider logistics and legal issues to make such a move. You also have to make sure your belongings are well packed to handle the strains of the journey. And this is the point we come in to make sure your move is successful. Because it is a local move, many people will attempt to make it themselves. While this is noble and reasonable in some cases, in others, it causes severe problems. These problems range from transportation issues to the punctuality and safety of the property. When you allow us to handle your move, you remove the possibility of problems from it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Aventura moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.